Hello. So welcome back to our series of cleansing your home of toxins or living a toxin-free lifestyle. My name is Natalie Pelto and I am the founder of Essential Modern Day Healers. I'm here to educate you guys on how to spring clean your home with essential oils specifically today. And I'm pretty excited because today we're actually going to be making a wood polish. Now the wood polish is a little bit of a different ingredient than we have used before, but both you should have on hand at home, I would think. And so some of the oils that we're going to be using is actually, for me, avocado oil today. Olive oil is also amazing, but both are very, very fine to use. So a polish can be for your furniture or it could be for your, like a wood polish. So the beauty of it is that these products are actually super amazing and non-toxic, and they are fragrance free. Sorry, I was thinking scent free, but they are not going to be scent free. We are going to make them smell amazing because I love the smell of I love the smell of Pledge, unfortunately, and it is something that affects my sinuses strongly because I have an allergy to fragrance. And so I grew up on Pledge. That's what my mom, that Pledge to me reminds me of the smell of clean. So I loved it when I found an essential oil called Purify that has that same wonderful, very, very clean smell to me. And so Purify has a mixture of citronella and lemongrass and some of these very, very, very cleansing essential oils in it. And I do not react to it at all, which I think is wonderful. So our polish is actually only 1, 2, and 3 ingredients. Again, most of our ingredients are only 3, which is lovely, guys. How frugal can you be? You can save so much money on this. Now, what we're going to be using is a smaller bottle, which guess what kind? So this one here is 11 ounces, and I'm going to tell you that the ratios are 3/4 of a cup of vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of oil, and then some essential oils just to help enhance the properties and the effectiveness of this polish. So no water in it this time. So this right here, and my pouring skills as per usual are probably going to be lacking, but this is the vinegar. So 3/4 of a cup. I know I'm quiet because I'm awful at pouring. And then we're going to be looking at some oil. So because of this is what I have on hand, and it is one of the better oils. I would usually prefer to just use the olive oil, but I will use what I have. And so the oils act as a polish, and why do they not react with, why don't they react with our furniture is because they're all organically made. So if you're putting it on furniture that is not, you might want to be a little bit more careful if you're using some of the detoxifying oils such as citrus oils. But for today, Purify will likely be okay, and we're going to use Arbor Vitae today. I just love the smell of wood, so I'm going to be adding it. It is a little bit divergent from what I was from the oils I said, but you don't need to use it. I myself am just really into having a very freshly clean smelling home right now, and so this is what it's going to look like. Okay, see how it separates? We're going to have to mix it every single time before we spray it. So I'm going to put 7 drops of Arbor Vitae in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drops. And then I'm going to put 7 drops of Purify essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Apparently. And then I'm just going to put this wonderful lid, which again, the lid came from the dollar store, from one of their other products. So the thing that it is that if you want to even reuse that product, I believe I have it. I do not have it close on hand, but what I do with it is I take the lid from this and I actually will put dry goods in it. So things like flowers or even just like pastas, if I have like an open box, I can put it in there. And because it's not a liquid and it's not in the sun, it's not gonna leach out some of that nasty BPA stuff. Okay, and we have a wood polish. I always do this. I never open it up enough. And it's gonna happen. Boop. And now we have our beautiful wood polish, which I'm gonna be using, and it's gonna smell amazing, just like I used to feel like when I used to smell Pledge at home.